Lesson number 3, King Bruce and the Spider. Lesson number 3, King Bruce and the Spider. Children, you know that spider and what is the work of spider? In the online classes I have explained, right? Yes, students? Yes, we have did this activity also, right, students? Here is an incomplete spider's web. Help the spider complete it. The first web has been done for you. We have completed this activity in the online class itself. Right, students? Did know? Yes, good. Once upon a time, there was a brave and wise king named Robert Bruce. He was the king of Scotland. One day, the King of England led a large army into Scotland. I must fight with the King Bruce and drive him out of Scotland, he said. Once upon a time, there was a brave and wise king named Robert Bruce. What happened, students? Once upon a time means long years ago, there was a brave and wise. Brave means what? Children, ready to face any danger. Brave means what? Ready to face any danger. And wise means clever. Once upon a time, there was brave and very intelligent king was there. What was his name? His name was Robert Bruce. Then he was the king of Scotland. Scotland means what? It's a country. How we are living in India, no? Like that on the Scotland also one country. Once upon a time, there was a king named Robert Bruce. He was the king of Scotland. Right, student? One day, the king of England. The king of England. England means what? England also country. How Scotland, India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, no? Like that, England also country. The king of England led a large army into Scotland. He brought his army. Army means what? A group of soldiers who fight on land. A group of soldiers who fight on land. He brought his group to fight with who? To fight with Robert Bruce. Then he told, I must fight with the King Bruce and drive him out of Scotland, he said. So what happened? He told, I wanted to fight with the King Bruce and I want to win that place. Then I wanted that Scotland. Right, student? So, rhyming words of this page. King, ring, drive, strive. Okay? Here, they are given question. What are the words used to describe the King Bruce? Describe means what? They told something, no, he was like that, he was like that. And what they told? Yes. What? What are the words that? Brave and wise. What are the words used to describe the King Bruce? Brave and wise. King Bruce had a small army. He fought the war bravely with the King of England. He fought 6 times and lost all the 6 times. He could do nothing more than run and hide. He hid himself in a cave in the forest. So what happened, students? King Bruce had a small army. King Bruce means what? The King of Scotland. He had very small army. He fought the war bravely with the King of England. He fought the war very bravely with the King of England. He fought 6 times. How many times, students? 6 times. And lost all the 6 times. What happened? They fought each other 6 times. And 6 times also only the King of England won. But this he lost all 6 times. Who? King Bruce. Okay. He could do nothing more than run and hide. So what happened? He shamed himself and he ran and hide. He hid himself in the forest. Where? In a cave. He hid himself in a cave. Cave means what, students? Guha. He hid himself in the cave. Students, here one question they given. What the question? Where did King Bruce hide? Where did he hide? God. Cave. In the forest. One rainy day, King Bruce lay on a pile of straw in the cave. He felt very tired and sick. He thought, I do not want to try again. All is lost. So what happened? One rainy day. Rainy day means when the rain was coming, no, otherwise rainy season. That day he was sitting on a what dried woods, and uh, he tired and he was very sick. He thought, I don't want to try again. All is lost. Right, student? War, an armed fight between two countries or groups. Pile, a number of things placed on a top each other. Straw, stems of grain plants that have been cut and dried. I told no, dry woods. So, students, still here I have taught you in the online class. So, today I would like to teach the next part, okay? Before starting the lesson, mention today's date and day. What's today's date? What, student? Good. 30/9 2020. Which day today? 12. Good. Wednesday. WEDNESDAY. Next. As he lay thinking, he saw a spider spinning her web in the cave. He watched her as she worked hard with a great care. She was trying to spin her thin thread from one end of the cave to the other. She kept falling down. The thread was thin and short, but she kept trying. Web means what, students? A net of threads made by a spider. A net of threads made by a spider. So what happened, students? As he lay thinking, he saw a spider spinning her web in the cave. What happened? He was sitting and thinking about the spider. See here. What it was doing? It was spinning the web, no? So, if he was thinking about that spider. He watched her as she worked hard with a great care. What happened? He watched that how it was working and all, how it will that how it spin the web and all. She was trying to spin her thin thread from one end of the cave to the other. She kept falling down. The thread was thin and short, but she kept trying. I have seen that web, how it was very thin. If it touch means it will break. Right, students? So she tried many times from this end to that end to this end. She did know here web. See here. She did know. And it was very thin and short. But she kept trying. But she didn't stop and she kept trying. King Bruce counted the number of times she tried and failed. 6 times. How sad, he said. You can never do it, you poor thing, said King Bruce aloud. King Bruce counted the number of times she tried and failed. 6 times. How sad, he said. You can never do it, you poor thing, said King Bruce aloud. What happened? The spider tried 6 times to spin the web, and 6 times also she failed. So he told, you can never do it, you poor thing, said King Bruce aloud. So he told, no, you failed 6 times, you can't do it, no. Why you are trying? Simply you are wasting your time. Okay, you can never do it, you poor thing, simply you are wasting. So he told like that. Here is one fact. What is that? A baby spider is called a spiderling. What? A baby spider is called a spiderling. Baby means what? A small, young spider called what? Spiderling. Good. Next. The spider did not give up. She succeeded the 7th time. This time she was able to spin her thread to the other side of the cave. The spider did not give up. She succeeded the 7th time. This time she was able to spin her thread to the other side of the cave. What happened? 6 times she failed? No. And she tried 7 times. And this time what happened? She succeeded. And she was able to spin her thread to the other side of the cave. And what happened? She tried and she did also. So King Bruce was surprised. Wow. King Bruce was surprised. Wow. Why he got surprised? Think students, why he got surprised? Because finally she succeeded. That too in a 7 times. 6 times she failed. No. So he got very surprised. Rhyming words. 6, fix, spin, chin. How many times did the spider try to spin her web? How many times, students? Yes. How many times? 6 times. And the 7th time she succeeded. He cried, if a little spider like you can do it, I too can. I will fight the war a 7th time and I will win, cried King Bruce. What happened? He cried. He cried means what? He here. He means who? Yes. King Bruce. If a little spider like you can do it, I too can. I will fight the war a 7th time and I will win, cried King Bruce. What happened? He said himself only. That little spider didn't give up and that too she tried 7 times. So why I should? Why I should not? A little spider tried 7 times and in the 7th time she succeeded. And he also told himself, why I can't? I will also fight and I will win the 7th time. He told himself and he cried. He means who? Yes, King Bruce. King Bruce came out of his hiding place. He gathered all his soldiers and marched to the battlefield. Gathered means what, student? Brought people in one place. He called all the soldiers to one place. March means what? The way soldiers walks. How we are doing in January 26, in August 15, no? Like that. So what happened? King Bruce came out of his hiding place. Where he was hiding? He was in a cave, no? He came out from there and he called all soldiers. All soldiers means what? The Scotland soldiers. And he get ready them in a what? Battlefield. And now they are ready to fight with the who? The King of England. He fought the King of England one more time. This time he won the war. What happened? He also tried 7 times. And this time he won the war. Won means what? He win the war. King Bruce learned a lesson from the little spider. Try, try, try again, you will win. King Bruce learned a lesson from the little spider. Try, try, try again, you will win. What happened? He learned one lesson from the spider. That is what? Try, try, try again, you will win. Like that only. When you are reading, no, you will do mistake first time, second time, third time, fourth time. Until you practice means you won't get no, like that only. What he also learned one message from the spider. What is that? Try, try, try again, you will win. You should try, no? Without trying, you will not win. Correct, student? Good. Rhyming words. Little, brittle, fought, bought. The moral of this story? Good. Try, try, try again, you will win. What is the moral of this story? Try, try, try again, you will win.